Hey guys, Goose Gaming back with another video. Today I'll be showing you how to get the bubble chat in Roblox Studio or shorten the chat so it doesn't show the people who are chatting. Okay, so before I go to the video, make sure you like and subscribe. And so, yeah. First, go to the place that you want to add your bubble chat in. Okay, once you have that, play it. And go to client chat modules, then copy that, press stop, then do chat, then press paste into, and then it will show that. Go to chat settings, open that, go to the line 27 and 28, then it'll show these. So this is what you want to do if you want the bubble chat. Just do true and change that to true. And then what that will do is that it will keep the GUI for this, but then it'll create like a GUI above you. So then that will create the bubble chat. Okay, so if you want the other thing, all you have to do is change this true to false, and then it'll shorten the chat. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. So, goodbye.